Assalamu alaikum dosto, मैं हूं Nasir Ahmed. Let me tell you the story of the Cuckoo Lama Talega, a tale of action, Badla, and Dhoka. It all starts with two best friends Mr. Dilly Mon Dilly and Sarma Sarma. You know, S. Biden I should come to Delhi.
Delhi is too proper for Mr. Biden. By the way, what happened to your twin brother Sultan?
Bayajan, ki I chale chilling with S. Lungi eh? Also I bought S. Ga. What does you mean? Well, I just signed the papers with Nitish ji and he gave me this Ga. I don't understand. I thought we were Bayajans. I thought we were in this together. No. इतनी बड़ी धोखा, अपनी शर्म नहीं आती? No. Now get out of my Ga. कभी नहीं, ये है मेरा Ga, मेरा देश. बेवकूफ. You really thought that Nitish ji would choose you to lead this Ga? A half-brained dog could see that the choice is clear. SpongeBob SquarePants could see that the choice is clear. Even the people of Cuckoo Lama Talega could see that the choice is clear. What happened to you Bayajan? Pacer. Pacer is all I need. Not Nitish ji. Not Cuckoo Lama Talega. And I certainly don't need you. That's when I shaved my head, and I refuse to grow my hair back, not until I get my badla.
Well, I didn't know my best friend was such a coward.
Excuse me?
You really let your gown go like that? You have to go back and get badla, for yourself, and for the people of Coco Lane Tall.
You know what? You are right. हमारा जिंदगी का एक के मकसद तक, बादला. Are you sure you want to come with me to Cuckoo Lama Talega?
Of course, we've been best friends since 1876. We'll go to Coco Lane Tall and get your gown back.
And away we go. But Sarma Sarmar and Mr. Delhi Mon Delhi are on the clock. Because as they make their way to Cuckoo Lama Talega, Sultan is busy with his evil plan. Namaskar Sultan Bhaiya, how about the supplies? Well, about that. एक दिन, शर्फ एक और दिन. मैं वह पॉश एक दिन नहीं है. Shabishko too.
जी भैया जी.
Get a spool out of my face.
Time to go.
Please Sultan Bhaiya, spare me.
Please, I'll get you.
Bewakoof.
Please, Sultan Bhaiya.
Shabishko, go loot the village. Make sure not a single grain is left.
ठीक है भैया जी.
Now get lost. I load Pesha.
Where were you at 6 o'clock p.m. yesterday?
You are not good enough for Gaji Abhag.
Yeah, Hazela goes back.
मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे, ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे।
I am China. Get out of here.
Please help me.
क्यों ये बेताबी किससे मुलाकात होनी है जिसका कब से अरमा था शायद वही बात होनी है यूं ही चला चल रही यूं ही चला
Listen, you shouldn't have dealt them chapatis. That's not me, that's Mr. Dilly Mon Dilly. Keep quiet.
नदियां भी हैं खुशियों की बगियां भी
I'll beat you.
रास्ता सब तेरा तक है भैया
Goodbye now.
यूं ही चला चल रही यूं ही चला चल रही कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया फूल सारे
So Anurag Saab, can I be in your movie? Learn to play with a razor blade in your mouth. Your deadline is 15 minutes. Good job Sarma. But will they be able to stop Sultan from his evilness? Will he be able to avenge his Ga? Well, let's see. We are officially in Mujaffarpur.
What are we doing here? Let's go get your gown back.
But
No buts. Forget Muslim poor. Let's go, now.
Kuku Lama Tale Gao is in Mujaffarpur.
Oh, then I'm sorry. Now let's go.
Namaskar Bayajan, or should I say, Anadi, Sarma, what are you doing here? I am here to get my Gao back. Bevaku, you'll never defeat me. I have an entire gang. But I've brought something you don't have, friendship.
Howdy, my name is Mr. Daily Man Daily, but you can call me your worst nightmare.
Sabasi Dega.
Why does this keep happening to me? My life is bad.
Now that I've gotten rid of him, time to get rid of you. No, never. Sarma won't die until he gets his badla. Listen up Takle, you can't defeat me. ये कुकु लामा टाले है यहाँ का बुओट भी एक पोंक से यूडस है और दूसरे अपने इज्जत बचत है समझ ले चलो फाइन यू विन Uno reverse card. What?
रुक जाओ बेवकूफियन.
कौन है तुम?
मैं हूँ मिस्टर पुपिन डाई, but you can call me Mr. Pupin Dai.
What are you doing here?
I am here to help.
Where am I?
भाई, मैं बहुत भरा हुआ था. I thought you were gone forever.
I did too. I'm going to have serious PTSD, but it's okay.
Listen up, you guys are brothers. Brothers stick together.
You know what? You are right. Bring it in Bayajan. That's too far. Sorry. We are Apizali Bayajans again. Picture Abhi Bhat mere dost. Sultan and Sarma are Bayajans again. They enjoy life in Kuku Lama Talega. Sultan let Uncle John go and Uncle John moved into Mr. Dilly Mon Dilly's house. And Mr. Dilly Mon Dilly chilled with Sultan and Sarma in Kuku Lama Talega. And they lived happily ever.
Did someone order a churt thigh?
What?
A churt thigh.
Do you mean a chapati?
Yes, a churt thigh. Now here you go.
I didn't order this. I did. Well, here you go, I guess. Michael Jackson, my son. Michael Jackson's your son? I'm Michael Jackson.